Want to glow up in just 7 days without spending a single cent? Today, I'm going to show you a simple 1-week free glow up plan that actually works. Follow these steps every day, and by the end of the week, you'll feel confident, fresh, and full of energy. Let's go. Day 1, clean and organize. Declutter your space. Your environment affects your mindset more than you think. Spend today cleaning your desk, folding clothes, arranging books, and wiping surfaces. A tidy, organized space reduces stress, clears your mind, and instantly makes you feel more confident and motivated. Remember, small changes make a big difference. Day 2, hydrate and eat healthy. Hydrate and fuel your body. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water today. Eat fresh fruits, vegetables, and protein-rich foods. Avoid sugary drinks or snacks that drain your energy. Proper hydration and nutrition improve your skin, energy, and mood. The glow up starts from the inside, so take care of what you consume. Day 3, skincare and face care. Take care of your skin. Wash your face twice daily. Apply natural face masks using honey, yogurt, or aloe vera to refresh your skin. Moisturize after washing. You don't need expensive products. Healthy, glowing skin comes from consistency and care, not money. Day 4, exercise and posture. Move your body and improve posture. Stretch for 5 to 10 minutes. Do a few push-ups or squats, or go for a short walk outside. Stand and sit tall throughout the day. Good posture instantly makes you look taller and more confident. Exercise not only transforms your body, but also energizes your mind, giving you a natural glow. Day 5, hair care. Healthy hair equals instant confidence. Brush your hair daily to remove tangles. Wash it regularly, and if possible, use simple home treatments like aloe vera or coconut oil. Shiny, healthy hair makes a huge difference in your overall appearance and boosts your self-esteem. Day 6, style and wardrobe. Upgrade your style. Wear clean and well-fitting clothes and organize your wardrobe so it's easy to pick outfits. Even simple clothing looks amazing when neat and properly presented. Small style changes can dramatically improve the way you feel and the way others perceive you. Day 7, mindset and self-care. Focus on your mindset. Journal your thoughts, meditate for a few minutes, and reflect on your week. Read something inspiring or plan your next week ahead. Confidence comes from the inside. A positive mindset shines outward, completing your glow-up journey. So here's the 1-week free glow-up plan. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll feel, look, and act more confident and energized in just 7 days. Remember, the glow-up comes from action, not money. Start today and see the difference for yourself.